Ndovha ngei thavhani, afamko siuchirira, natangana nambebeta, bebeta opana nama, ndetukure ndiocha, tungeza ngakurambo kwayo kuya amurima. Ndovha ngei thavhani, afamko siuchirira, natangana nambebeta, bebeta opana nama, ndetukure ndiocha, tungeza ngakurambo kwayo kuya amurima. Reality has finally found me. We sit under the mean sun, discussing the dream that was once fun. How it's almost out of breath, and I'm sick of this part of her that I've always dread. She calms me down and shows me the moon, plunged in full darkness, radiating light to heal the night. She says, beauty's in the struggle, the birth of light. All this she speaks slowly and in hushed terms, like there's someone listening, like we are not alone. Don't tell us all. I tell her of the death of a dreamer by my grandfather's grave. Catch, dreamers are dying. She says the soil that fertilizes the dream. But you're taking this lightly. Okay. What about the land? The land and the ruler of a wet land that none has ever gone. The queen whose love solicits all loving in me. She says fairy tale. Suddenly a night is ruined, and my dark heart turns white. Ndovha ngei thavhani, ndafamko siuchirira, natangana nambebeta owana nama, ndentukure ndiocha, tungeza ngakurambo kwayo kuya amurima. Amurima unambuzi chena, iya penga namashao wayo, shao tembeni. Romo ya koti kapepa, alamutanara tipina, yarita. Ndovha ngei thavhani, afamko siuchirira, natangana nambebeta, owana nama, ndentukure ndiocha, tungeza ngakurambo